Good day, everyone! In the video, we are covering the 5 best light-up terrarium kit on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without this buying guide. Now, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's start! Number 1. Our top pick is Grow and Glow Terrarium Kit. Children are provided with a complete kit when using this terrarium set that lets them grow plants for up to 2 full cycles. There is a potting mix, organic chia and wheatgrass seeds, along with river stones, sand, and a lid with decorations. We were also impressed with how they've included a plant mister. Children can use this to have an easy time when it comes to keeping their mini garden properly watered. The stickers that are available in this kit have been made with a glow-in-the-dark design. This is a superb feature that enables kids to have a lot of fun when it comes to decorating their terrarium kit, as it looks excellent when lit up at night. While children are having a blast growing their mini garden, they're given a fantastic opportunity to learn more about the life cycle of plants, as well as how the ecosystem works. Seeing the results from this terrarium jar is also pretty quick. Once the seeds have been planted, kids can see how they begin to sprout within just 3 to 4 days. Therefore, you can be sure that they won't get bored waiting for their seeds to sprout. You can also feel confident in knowing that this set is safe for kids, as it has been tested and passed a range of regulations. Size: 3.6 into 9.8 into 9.8 inches. Weight: 1.23 pounds. Age recommendation: 6+ years. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dan and Amp Darcy Light-Up Terrarium Kit for Kids. This Dan and Amp Darcy Light-Up Terrarium has an LED light underneath that enables kids to see more details inside the terrarium. It's an awesome feature that kids can take advantage of to keep a closer eye on how well the mini garden is growing inside the container. You can turn the light on and off easily with the on-off button. It can also be recharged by using the micro USB cable that's included. This kit also comes with a booklet filled with instructions that are easy for kids to follow. They've also included blue sand, vermiculite soil, river rocks, chia seeds, along with mushroom and bunny miniatures. Kids can have a blast placing these miniatures inside their terrarium. We also liked how the set comes with a wooden stick and spray bottle that makes it easier for kids to plant their seeds. Furthermore, there are stickers that children can use to decorate the terrarium and make it their own. Users have been mentioning how they find this terrarium suitable for children of all ages. It also provides them with a more interactive learning experience when it comes to learning about sand, rocks, and soil. Size: 7 into 4.5 into 7 inches. Weight: 1.43 pounds. Age recommendation: 6 to 12 years. Number 3. Our third best pick is Dan and Amp Darcy Dino Soap Making Kit for Kids. Are you a dinosaur fan? Then what could be more fun than making your own Dino soaps to play and wash with? Make a T-Rex, Styracosaurus, and Stegosaurus. Feel free to play around with the colors. Keep them for yourself and turn your bath or shower into a party while you learn fascinating dinosaur facts in the process. Kit includes 6 soap-based blocks, 2 fragrances, green apple and lemon for liquid colors, red, blue, yellow, green, glitter, 3 dinosaur molds, beaker for pop sticks, working tray, trimming tool, and comprehensive instruction guide. A fun and educational gift for all ages. It's not often that a science project can be fun and engaging, but this kit achieves both. Great set for individual play or as a group activity. It fascinates children as soon as they pull it out of the box and is a perfect STEM project. It fosters a love for science and paleontology in a fun and exciting way. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Me and Amp you light up Dinosaur Terrarium Kit. Spark a love for science with our DIY Terrarium Kit. It promotes creativity and cognitive skills with the 5 illustrated info cards to provide fun knowledge that kids will love. These Kids Science Kit Dino toys include a jar with an LED light, 5 dinosaur figurines, soil, sand, rocks, wheatgrass and chia seeds, a spray bottle, and more for upgraded learning and fun. Transform your kids' room into a Jurassic spectacle with our Boys and Girls Toys Dino Mini Terrarium. It even comes with a poster and stickers for customizing the jar. Miniature Glowing Terrarium. These STEM toys for 5 years old and above can also be your child's new favorite night light with its LED lid, providing you with practical, fun, and educational science kits. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Onnetila Dinosaur Fairy Garden and a Jar Light Up Terrarium Kit for kids. The instructional guide that's included with this set has been made with a step-by-step process that breaks it down and makes it easier for children to follow. As a result, they can be more independent when it comes to making their own mini garden. The kit comes with a terrarium jar, vermiculite soil, seeds, a spray bottle, as well as dinosaur figures and stickers. Children find the dinosaur figures and stickers exciting as it lets them make their terrarium jar more unique with decorations. We also liked how the lid has an LED light fitted. This is awesome for lighting up the terrarium jar at night so that kids can observe their mini garden in the dark. During the process of planting the seeds, watching them sprout, and maintaining them, your child can learn more about the ecosystem with an interactive and very hands-on learning experience. Size: 6.3 into 5.3 into 3.9 inches. Weight: 0.93 pounds. Age recommendation: 3+ years. That's all for now. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. That's all for now. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.